Do you think that this program is preparing you for either a career or maybe you're going to further your other education? And
I think it is for me, I could say it secured my future, like what I'd like to do. Definitely confirmed what I want to do.
and what do you want to do?
I've always thought about going into a future with programming, computer science, in those areas, but I've never been 100% set on it. And I think this is definitely secured that after high school, which I graduate this year, I'll probably go towards that.
Oh, great. Well, you're almost there.
Right there, this June.
And so you would like to have a career in programming?
Yeah, in the computer science field.
Okay. Do you have a college in mind yet? Or-
Not necessarily. I think I'm going to spend my first 2 years at a community college around LA, and then is when I'm going to move up.
All right. Are you planning to take advantage of any of the scholarship opportunities that FIRST is offering? Have you seen any of those?
If that's an opportunity I'll get, then most definitely. I feel like it'd 100% be a great idea too.
Besides the technology, what are you learning?
Well, it definitely helps with critical thinking, problem solving, because it's a lot of trial and error. So for our gripper, we went through 4 variations. For our whole robot, we went through maybe 3 variations. So it's a lot of trial and error, a lot of thinking.
Was that
design.
something new to you, like making mistakes and failing and then
I wouldn't
continuing?
necessarily say new, but it's definitely, when it's in that instance, there's a lot more mistakes to be made and a lot more to learn from. Because one can make mistakes once a week, but for this you can make 5 mistakes in a day, and it helps you learn a lot and makes you realize to not make them again.
Anything else you want to share about FIRST, or would you recommend this program for other students?
Oh yeah, definitely. I
Yeah.
think it could help a lot of students. I don't think it's just us or everyone here. It could definitely, a lot of people could benefit from it, most definitely.